Hello, my name is Wojciech Gryc, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of PhaseAI. Today, I'd love to walk you through a product that we're codenaming Winterhelm. And the idea behind Winterhelm is to use large language models to automate your business analysis and data science tasks, and to do so in a privacy-preserving way that allows the models to be fully audited as well. So I'll show you how this actually works. If I'm logged into Winterhelm, I can create documents, list them, as well as explore various data sets. Now in this case, I've preloaded 4 specific data sets: census data, which is survey results, data sets from common machine learning tutorials and courses like Titanic passengers and iris data, and online retail. The reason I've preloaded online retail is that quite a few of our customers and users actually run online stores, physical retail stores, or other businesses, and they want to have a data scientist analyze their actual data, and that's what Winterhelm is now doing for them. So when it comes to actually building a document, I'll go to Create Document. I'll call it, in this case, e-commerce analysis. And I'll choose the data source that I'm interested in, so online retail in this case. I'll create the document, and this is the basic template that we use. And similar to Notion or Coda, everything that we do is basically focused on specific types of text components or components that you add to the document. So I'll add a header here for introduction, and then I'll copy and paste the rest so that you don't have to worry about my typing skills. So here's the introduction itself, and then I'll also add a section for questions. Now, questions are particularly unique in Winterhelm. The idea behind questions is similar to text components. They are components in your document, but what they actually do is they go out to a research focused large language model agent that does the research for you. So in this case, I'm going to add a question, an analyst research task, and this question is how many rows of data are there? So fairly simple question, and in this case, you'll see task queued. You've got the question itself and the status. Now, we're not going to go this easy on our research agents. So the second question that I will add is, are weekends better or worse for sales? Now you'll notice that the question itself isn't a general statistical command. It's a broad business question that the agent itself will have to interpret for us and then interpret the results as well. And the last question that I will include in here is about long-term trends. In this case, are sales trending up or down in the long run? So this is our document now. We've got 3 questions, and typically these tasks take a few minutes to run because they're communicating with a large language model multiple times, and there's a workflow process. However, once the document is fully analyzed, you'll see something like this. In this case, the questions now aren't the task status updates, but actual answers. In this case, how many rows of data are there? 541,909 rows. Okay, interesting. Are weekends better or worse for sales? Well, the output you provided shows that weekdays have higher sales compared to weekends. And I'll talk a little bit about what we mean when it says the output we provided. Finally, are sales trending up or down in the long run? Well, the output indicates that average percentage change in sales per month is 2.35%, which is a positive value. Okay, now what's really wonderful about this product is this audit results button. When you click this, you actually get the full analysis and the process that the large language model took to actually answer the question. So you have the question itself under title in this case, you have the code that the large language model wrote, whether there were any errors, the code output itself, and then the interpretation. And in our case, the interpretation is what actually shows up in the document itself. What's beautiful about this process and this product is that everything is auditable. You can go back so that if a finding is controversial or hard to believe, you can review the code itself. And also, because we are running the code on behalf of the large language model locally, we're not actually sharing any of your raw data with the large language model itself. So this is privacy preserving in a way that most analysis tools are not. And there you go. That's the product, that's the process, and we're very, very excited to have you work with us. If you have any questions or you would like to try this on your own data, please reach out to me at w@phaseai.com. Thank you so much.